Exploring the Olympic pool, dive into English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into the meaning and usage of the phrase, Olympic pool. This might sound like a simple term, but it's packed with interesting facts and usage in English. So, let's jump in. An Olympic pool refers to a specific type of swimming pool that meets the regulated dimensions set by the International Olympic Committee. These pools are used in the Olympics and other international swimming competitions. They are 50 meters in length, 25 meters in width, and have a minimum depth of 2 meters. The size of these pools makes them distinct and internationally recognized. The term, Olympic pool, isn't just about sports. It's often used in English to describe something large or vast. For example, you might hear someone say, "I have an Olympic pool of tasks to complete." This means they have a very large number of tasks. Understanding such phrases enhances your comprehension of English in different contexts. In English, metaphors are a common way to express ideas creatively. The phrase, Olympic pool, can be a metaphor for anything large or extensive. For instance, an Olympic pool of knowledge suggests someone has a vast amount of knowledge. Recognizing such metaphors can really enrich your understanding of English expressions. Did you know that the water in Olympic pools is usually kept at about 25 to 28 degrees Celsius? Or that they contain around 2.5 million liters of water? These fun facts not only make the term more interesting but can also be great conversation starters. And that's a wrap on Olympic pools. I hope this video has broadened your understanding of this phrase and its usage in English. Remember, language learning is like swimming in an Olympic pool. It might seem vast, but it's thrilling once you dive in. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.